Hi guys! Today we are going to make spaghetti with marinara sauce that is a great Italian recipe and very delicious. This recipe is simple and easy to put together. So let's start it. First, we have about 400 gram tomatoes and we should shuck them. Put the tomatoes in boiling water for 1 minute. Immediately in cold water. Shuck the tomatoes help us to peel them easily. If you like such videos, please like it and don't forget to subscribe. Now peel the tomatoes and then chop them. We have 1 onion and chop it. Some fresh basil. Chop them not very small. These basil are only for final step. Grate about 3 or 4 garlic. Okay, now I'm going to pour a little bit of olive oil in my pan. Add the onion and let them cook until they brown up. Grated garlic, tomato paste going in. Taste the tomato paste. It helps it to have a better color. Now add the chopped tomatoes. Stir all the ingredients. Let them cook for about 5 minutes. We are going to mix everything together. Some salt as you want, black pepper, paprika powder, thyme, and rosemary. You can smell it as soon as you sprinkle it. Let the sauce cook for about 10 minutes again on medium heat to soften for spices to release their flavor. Just like that. Alright, we are going to work on our spaghetti. We have boiling water. Add some salt. olive oil. Then add about 300 grams spaghetti. Boiling them for about 10 minutes. Drain off all the water. Someone rinse the spaghetti with cold water, but it removes all the spaghetti flavor. You can use a little olive oil in this time. That's finished. Now add a spoonful of sauce to the spaghetti. Parmesan cheese, for the last, add our shredded basil and it's ready to serve. Very good. There you have it, spaghetti with marinara sauce. This recipe is so delicious. Make food with love to make it delicious.